Good afternoon guys, we are from Group 80. We will present to you how to build PC. Okay, my name is Febriansyah.
And my name is Asri, Rahmi, Putri.
Ahmad, Fiqriansyah.
My name is Difa, Pratama.
My name is Khairunnas.
Okay, let's begin. Before we are going to build a PC, we should to prepare the tool and the material. First we have the screwdriver, yes, and next we have pan cooler, and then we have motherboard and the processor. The processor inside the motherboard. Okay, next we have a video graphic card like this, you can see, and then we have the hard drive, hard disk for the data. Okay, next we have keyboard and the mouse, and the last one is the mouse pad. Okay, let's begin the tutorial. Okay,
Step 1. The first, put the motherboard into the case.
okay, done. Step
We just started the bolt with screwdriver. You can see. Yeah. Okay.
Install the SATA cable into the motherboard. And then install the reset cable into the motherboard.
And then install the fan into the case. And then install a PGA card into the PCI slot. Okay.
First step, this is speaker, and this is keyboard, and this is mouse. Okay, install USB. Inside USB port to the and to undo install the USB port into the case. Okay, and to undo
One is plug in the adapter cable into the electrical port, and then power supply cable to electrical port.
2, 3.
Okay, last step, start to the computer.
Okay, the conclusion is personal computer is the useful machine. You can do some activities in computer like studying, writing, browsing, and playing gaming. Okay, that's all about how to build personal computer. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Beres.